You might have wondered how to create these types of renovation transformation videos using AI, and that too, completely free. So here at Joseph's, we teach you 100% free methods to create videos like this using only Grok AI. You don't need any premium software, you don't need paid tools, you just need a well-structured, highly engineered master prompt, which you get absolutely free at Joseph's. So let's get started. You'll find this master prompt in the description below. Make sure you copy the entire prompt carefully, it's slightly long, so don't skip anything. Once you've copied it, simply open ChatGPT and paste the full prompt there. The moment you paste it, you've essentially converted ChatGPT into your own powerful prompt generation machine. Now ChatGPT will automatically generate 10 slum renovation transformation ideas for you. From those 10 ideas, you can select whichever one you like the most, and if you don't like any of them, no problem. Just ask ChatGPT to generate 10 more ideas, and it will instantly provide another fresh set. Now for example, let's say I want to create a transformation based on an urban alley. As this idea appears at number 10, I simply reply with 10 and send it. Once you do that, ChatGPT will provide you with highly structured and well-engineered prompts. Inside that response, you will get one detailed image prompt to create your starting image and multiple video prompts to generate your full transformation sequence. So first, we create the starting image. For generating images, I personally use the Grok AI application version. Open Grok, go to the Imagine section, and under Type to Imagine, select the Image tab. Now copy the initial ugly image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Grok AI. Then click Run. After a few moments, you'll get multiple images. Download the one you like the most. Now we move to video generation. For generating videos, I use Grok AI's web version, because it's relatively faster compared to the app version. Upload the image you just created, then go back to ChatGPT, copy the script of the first video prompt, paste it into Grok AI, and click Run. After some time, your first video will be generated. Before downloading it, always click on the 3 dots and select Upscale Video. This ensures you get the maximum quality output, then download the upscaled version. Now open this video in your device gallery and go to the last frame of the video. Take a screenshot of that last frame, crop the screenshot into portrait size and save it. This screenshot now becomes the starting image for your second video. Again, go to Grok AI and upload this screenshot. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt for the second video. Paste it into Grok and click Run. Once the video is generated, again click on the 3 dots, upscale the video, and download it. Then open the newly generated video in your gallery, go to the last frame, take a screenshot, crop it to portrait size, and save it. Repeat the same workflow for all scenes. Remember the structure clearly. First image generates first video, last frame of first video generates second video, last frame of second video generates third video. Continue this process until all 4 to 5 scenes are completed. Once all scenes are generated, import all clips into any video editing software. If you want, you can mute the clip sounds and add background music. But I personally recommend keeping the original clip audio, because it contains realistic construction sounds that enhance the cinematic feel. And here's your final output. For more such free tutorials and powerful prompts, subscribe to Joseph's AI. We'll see you again in the next video.